Most people think life changes when you do something massive, quit your job, start a business, shift cities. But in reality, real transformation comes from that habits, the kind that don't even look powerful at first. I learned this the hard way. When my life was stuck, nothing big was moving. But 1 year later, I looked back and realized 20 micro habits had quietly rewired everything. Today, I'm sharing those 20 with you. Listen carefully because each one is deceptively simple but life changing if you stay consistent. Habit number 1, the first 10 minutes. The first 10 minutes after you wake up decide the tone of your day. No phone, no news, no chaos. Instead, water, stretch, breathe. You are not avoiding the world, you are preparing for it. When you control your first 10 minutes, you control the next 10 hours. Habit number 2, single task focus. In a distracted world, focus is a superpower. Pick one important task for the day and do it with zero multitasking until it's complete. It's not about working harder, it's about giving your brain the respect it deserves. Habit number 3, 2-minute start rule. Any task that feels overwhelming, tell yourself you will do it for just 2 minutes. Open the document, wear the gym shoes, start writing the email. Most of the time you will keep going. Momentum is built in minutes, not hours. Habit number 4, daily mental detox. At least once a day, step away from all screens for 15 to 20 minutes. Sit in silence, take a walk, or just observe. In this pause, you will hear thoughts you have been ignoring and sometimes the answer you have been searching for. Habit number 5, 1% improvement. Ask yourself every night, what's one thing I can do better tomorrow? Not a big dramatic change, just 1%. Because if you grow 1% every day for a year, you will be 37% times better without even noticing the grind. Habit number 6, micro wins before lunch. Don't wait end of the day to feel accomplished. Plan 2-3 small wins before lunch. Send that important email, clear that call, finish that report. When you stack victories early, the rest of the day feels lighter and more confident. Habit number 7, learn in sips, not in buckets. Instead of binge learning for hours once a week, absorb knowledge in short daily sips. 10 to 15 minutes of reading, a quick podcast, or a short course video. Your brain retains better when learning is a habit, not a marathon. Habit number 8, energy check, not time check. Stop asking, do I have time for this? Start asking, do I have the energy for this? Time can be stretched, but energy can't. Protect it like currency, because once it's gone, even free hours are useless. Habit number 9, the 5-minute evening rest. Before you end up your workday, spend 5 minutes organizing your space and noting tomorrow's first task. This tiny ritual clears mental clutter, so you start fresh every morning instead of dragging yesterday chaos. Habit number 10, gratitude before sleep. Every night name 3 things you are grateful for, no matter how small they are. It shifts your mind from what's missing to what's working. And this mental state is where better ideas, deeper sleep, and stronger relationships are born. Habit number 11, the one conversation that matters. Every day, have at least one real conversation. Not small talk, not what's going on, but an actual exchange where you listen and share openly. Because 5 years from now, you won't remember the emails. You will be remembered the moments that made you feel understood. Habit number 12, reverse alarm. Set an alarm not for when to wake up, but when to switch off. 30 minutes before bed, no work, no heavy content, no endless scrolling. This reverse alarm is your signal to slow down, so tomorrow's version of you wakes up ahead. Habit number 13, the one less rule. Every day, remove one unnecessary thing, one toxic thought, one useless email, one item you don't use. When you make space, better things find you faster. Chaos leaves quietly when you open the door. Habit number 14, move without a goal. Not every walk has to be 10k steps. Not every stretch has to be burn calories. Sometimes move just because it feels good. The body remembers kindness and rewards you in ways data can't measure. Habit 15, anchor to a question. Pick one powerful question to carry with you for a week, like, what's the most important thing right now? Or, will this matter in 5 years? The right question asked repeatedly can save you from hundreds of wrong decisions. Habit number 16, morning sun check. Before you check your phone, check the sky. Step outside, even for 2 minutes, and let sunlight hit your eyes. Your body clock resets, your mood lifts, and nature quietly whispers, you are part of something bigger. Habit number 17, micro courage moments. Once a day, do one thing that scares you, just a little. Speak up in a meeting, ask that question, start that conversation. Courage grows in teaspoons, not in gallons. Habit 18, celebrate invisible wins. Not all progress is visible. Some days you just avoid a fight, stayed calm in traffic, or said no to something that drained you. Celebrate that too, because silent victories often shape you the most. Habit 19, future self check in. Every night, imagine meeting yourself 5 years from now. Ask, will they thank me for what I did today? When you live with that lens, the small choices start looking like big opportunities. And last but not least, habit number 20, the bookend life. Your life has two bookends, how you start and how you end it. Protect them fiercely, because no matter what happens in between, if you open and close your day with intention, you have already won. Remember, life is not changed by one giant leap. It's rewritten by 20 habits you repeat until they feel like oxygen. You don't need to do all today. Start with one. And one day you will look back and realize this is where your new story began. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and comment down the habits you are still following and going to follow. Thanks for watching.